Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another interesting video. In today's video, I am gonna talk about stroboscopic effect. Sometimes you might have observed that when the fan is in the full speed, it seems to be spinning backward and it seems to be spinning forward sometimes. Do you know why this happens? This is the stroboscopic effect. To know more about this stroboscopic effect, watch this video carefully because it is very complicated. So let's start. To know about this, first you have to know about FPS. So what is FPS? The abbreviation of FPS is frames per second. Actually here frames means photos. It gives the meanings of photos per second. Actually the video which we see is not a moving video. It is the photo series played continuously which makes the illusion that the object is moving. For example, look at this video. It is not a moving video. It is the photos which were playing continuously which makes us the illusion of that video is playing. We all are familiar with the flipbook. Do you know what happens in that flipbook? Pictures are drawn after a page. Like that, when we flip it, we think that it is a video. We can't see the papers moving there and we think that the video is moving in that flipbook. This is how the video is played by the photos. And if it is 60 fps then it takes 60 photos per second, and if it is 24 fps then it takes 24 photos per second. Like that, it take accordingly to the fps. I think you get to know briefly about FPS. Are you thinking what is the link between FPS and stroboscopic effect? There is a link. We use this FPS in the mobile world, for example, video capturing, video editing, playing games. In such way we use this FPS. But in the mechanical world, we use RPM. The abbreviation of this RPM is rounds per minute or rotations per minute, whatever you can say. The high speed fan rotates at 380 to 390 rpm, which means it makes the rotations of 380 or 390 per minute. Now let's look what happens in the fan and why it seems to be spinning backward. This not only happens in the fan, it also happens in the car wheels and other anything which rotates. I tried to animate fan in the 3D because I can't find the clips of the fan moving. And you can see the results what I animated, but I can't animate still how I want because I am animating it on the mobile. So I use this wheel as my reference point to explain you how it happens and why it happens. Consider this wheel as it is rotating and we are shooting a video of this wheel at 24 fps. Then the gap between each photo is 0.041 seconds. That means after every 0.041 seconds it captures a photo. So here our wheel has started rotating, and after 0.041 seconds it clicks a photo, and after 0.041 seconds it clicks a photo here. Like that it continues till we capture the video, and the results will be like this. We can see a moving video like this. Now wheel is rotating faster than the before. Now look what happens here. The first photo would be captured here, and until the second photo captures, the wheel would rotate around and comes to this position. As I told you that wheel is rotating faster now. Until the third photo would be captured, its position would be here, and until the fourth photo, its position would be here. Like that, its position will be decreased. So when we look at the results, it appears to be spinning backward as you can see here. The same thing happens in the fan also, so that we can see it rotating backward. We are shooting the video of this in the camera, and when we look at the results in the video, it seems to be spinning backward or spinning forward or being stable. But do you know why we can see with our naked eye? The experts say that if our eye would be a camera, then its maximum FPS is 30 to 60 FPS. So if the fan speed matches to our eye, then we can see the same thing. Or else we can see the fan spinning backward, as I told you how it happens. So guys, this is the reason why fan seems to be spinning backward. And still if you have any doubts, then feel free to comment. I'll answer to your doubts. So that's all for now guys. I'll be back with other interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.